Good day, sir. Today I will present Chapter 3 Working with Links, Images, and Multimedia. So, what is links? So, hypertext. Links are used to connect one web page to another web page, file, email address, or section within the same page. They allow users to navigate easily between different resources on the internet. In HTML, links are created using the A or anchor tag. Links used to connect to one page to another web page or website. This means we will create a way for users to go from one page to another page to for easy use. So here is our syntax. Href equals URL and then the link tag. Um, Here's our sample activity. That means the link text visit Google will appear on the web page and it will connect to the Google website.
So, what is image? So, image are used to display pictures on a web page. So, they make the website more attractive and help explain content visually. So, any HTML image are added using the img tag. So, image used to show picture on a web page. So, this means that we use to make the web page more attractive and help user understand the content visually. So, here are our syntax. So this means that we use the img tag to add an pictures or image. So the src will show the location of the image file and the alt will give a description of the image in case it cannot display. So our sample activity, the image file or sample GPG will appear on the web page and its description will be sample image.
What is multimedia? Audio and video. Multimedia includes audio and video content. It makes website more interactive and engaging. Audio is used to add sound to a web page. This means we will allow users to listen music or other sounds while viewing the web page. Here's our syntax. So this means we will use the audio to add sound. The controls will show play and pause buttons and the SRC will show the audio file location. So here is our sample activity. The audio file sample audio that MP3 will play on the web page and users will be able to control it with the play or pause buttons.
So the video used to add moving image or movies to web page. So this means that we will make the web page more interactive and engaging. So here is our syntax. We use the video tag to add a video. The control will show play, pause, and volume buttons, and the SRC will show the video file location. So our sample activity, so the video file or sample video.mp4 will appear on the web page and the user will able to play. So in conclusion, links, images, audio, and video will make a web page more interactive and attractive and easy to use. So links will help user move from one page to another. So images will make the content more visual and easy to understand.
Audio and video will sound and motion, making the web page more engaging. By using these elements, we will create web pages that are both informative and interesting for users.
Thank you for listening.